Dear friends and students, welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. I am Natarajan. I will teach you how to draw 2D sketch in the SolidWorks. Okay, first of all, open the SolidWorks. So this is the main screen here. From here, click the new click part, give OK. Now the default is inches. Click here and give options, millimeter. Click options, document properties, image quality, increase the image quality. Okay, give OK. First of all, open the any 2D drawings. Okay, now I have opened this 2D sketch here. This is a very simple one for the beginners. First you have to draw the circle here. From there you can draw another circle of here and here also, and you have to draw arc. Okay, first of all draw a circle of diameter 80. Click top plane, give normal to. First draw a center line. Okay. Draw a vertical line. Using circle command and center point, draw circle, change dimension to 80. Diameter as 80. Here the offset distance is 55 horizontal and 56 mm vertical. From there you have to draw a circle of diameter 36. Using offset command, distance 55. Okay. Again click the offset command, change distance 56. Select the horizontal line. Okay. From this intersection point, draw a circle of diameter 36. Change the diameter to 36. Okay. Now erase the unwanted lines. Now here in the bottom the offset distance is 75 and you have to draw a circle of diameter 30. So offset distance 75. Okay. Increase the axis length, diameter 30, circle button. Okay, change dimension to 30. And here you have to draw a radius of 112, arc radius 112, here arc radius 25. Now using arc command, 3-point arc, select bigger circle and select some smaller circle. Okay, give OK. Now change the dimensions to 112. Give OK. Now click add relations, select arc and the circle, add relations, click arc and circle, give tangent. Okay, and here also give arc, add relations, click tangent. Here add relations, circle and add, can give OK. Here in the right hand side the arc radius is 25. Okay. Now the dimensions outside. Arc give dimensions 25. Okay. Now go for add relations, select arc and the circle, give tangent. Here also go for add relations, select circle and arc, give tangent. And relation, okay. In the top you have an arc radius of 88 and 52. Go for R, change the dimension to 88. Go for add relations, select circle and arc, tangent. On the right hand side radius is 52. Go for 3-point arc, Go for dimensions, select R, radius is 52. Now in the bottom side you have to draw a circle of diameter. You have to draw a circle of diameter 14. Circle of diameter 14. Here you have to draw two circles. Okay. Go for small dimensions. Distance is 46. Okay. And here select three. Okay. R24. Go for small dimensions, change arc radius to 24. Diameter 26. Now go for add relations. Select arc and circle, use tangent. By using mirror command, you can mirror the arc on the other side. Select mirror entities, select arc, mirror about the line. Go for mirror entities, select arc, OK. Top we have diameter of 18. Draw a circle of diameter . Draw a circle of diameter 18. This is how we have to draw the 2D sketch in the SolidWorks. Okay, now we have completed the sketch. Thank you for watching the SolidWorks tutorials. Kindly subscribe the channel, share the channel and press the bell icon, and you will get the regular updates in the SolidWorks. Thank you for watching the SolidWorks.